Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Acer Swift 3. I just got it in the mail today. I've been waiting for over a month for it from Amazon, replacing my Asus VivoBook 14. As you can see here, 2 years old right here, ready for an upgrade. This is about, let's get this underway. Oh, nice. Free mouse pad. If you do something or other, help setting it up. Let's take a look at the packaging here. What do we have in here? We got those nice inserts that you get from opening eggs from the store. But this is what's inside. Let's take a look. Got a nice clear sheet. Now we do have a very light laptop here. This is coming at just 0.63 inches thin and 2.65 pounds, and it has 11.5 hours of battery life. This is the AMD Ryzen 7 4700. This does have the 500 gigabytes solid state drive, 14-inch display, IPS display. I have not turned it on yet, so if we look here, I mean, compared to the Asus, it does feel like it has a solid design. I mean, for the price tag, the base price tag, which is $649, the way that it's configured, it does look like it's a great buy as far as what it comes with, equipped with. Now, this is my first time ever having a AMD device, so I've had a stroke of bad luck with the Intel. My Asus device has the A7, which I haven't had any problems with, issues at all with this laptop. The Asus Vivo 14 S14, no significant issues. So you can pick this up for fairly cheap on the secondhand market and still running pretty good, but I haven't tried this one yet. It definitely looks like it's gonna be fun to have, and it has a AMD Ryzen 7 4700 octa-core, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabyte solid state drive, 14-inch IPS display, 1920 by 1080 resolution, 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Now let's take a look at the ports. So we can see here it has the HDMI out, one USB-C, USB-A, and then we have our locking feature right here with a 3.5mm jack, which is my previous computer didn't have this. Now I am losing one USB-A port to this one. This one currently has two USB-A on one side and one on the other. So I'm going from 3 USB-A from the Asus VivoBook S14 to just 2 on the Acer Swift 3. I highly recommend this. The first time I saw this laptop was on Dave Lee's YouTube channel, and I'll put that in the description. That was over a month and a half ago, possibly, which I'm not sure. You can check it out. And from his recommendation, that's why I bought it. The only thing that comes in here is the charger. It's not a USB-C charger. It is the regular charger. I don't understand why USB-C chargers are not standard issue as of now. They should be standard issue, but there's the unboxing. Really appreciate you checking out this unboxing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and I would really love to hear what you think. Thanks again for watching, and you guys have a great day.
But wait, there's more. Hang on to your seat, baby, cause this one's a screamer.
Addendum. So after opening up this Acer Swift 3 out of the box, there was a screw that fell off the shift button. I was unable to press the shift button, and I didn't know what was going on. When you press the button, the keys light up, and there was a screw. Now, mind you, this was brand new. I just got it in the mail today, and there was a screw loose inside the keyboard. So I don't know what's going on. Everyone recommended this product. Maybe it was a fluke. I got one that, you know, it happens. Any electronics devices, there are a couple that leave the warehouse that obviously got through quality control. So just FYI, very little screw. It was stuck below the shift button. after pressing it numerous times, and I looked and there was this screw that was stuck underneath, and I was able to get it out by flipping it over, and it just fell out. So who knows where this screw came from. So all right, thanks for watching. You guys take it easy.